Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video, man. Today I'm going to continue the bags. The project needs to be continued and needs to be finished. I'm taking too long on this, man. But today I'm going to try to do my trunk setup, because I am going to do like a little setup how I want it. I'm gonna put the compressor in and the tank, and I also have to put my manifold because that's not gonna put that in. And so I'm going to do like, how do I say it? Half trunk, half tank, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you guys. So basically I'm gonna have this cut out for the tank, and then the tank is gonna sit like halfway, and so I still have this, you know, thing under or above it, because I don't want to get rid of this and have like nothing there, you feel me? And I don't want to have the tank up here because of the seat, and I just want to have it like half that thing and then half tank. That's how I want my setup, because this is a nice, clean, simple setup, you feel me? So basically I have to get this wood right there. I have to get that placed under that, whatever the hell they call it, I guess cover. I have to get it placed under that cover, and so that basically holds in where the compressor's at and where the tank will be sitting and where the manifold will be at too. So that's why I have that wood there. And things first, I gotta see if this is measured good to fit in here, because my brother doesn't know how to measure. Well, he does, but hopefully he measured good, and this fits in there. So I have to take this out. I have to get rid of this little plastic foamy thing. That's gonna be thrown out, and then that's gonna replace that basically. And I could keep my spare in here too. All right, guys, so I have two issues now. So quick already. One, the wood is too high, like the width is too big. So I have to cut that in half and see if it can fit better. And I was telling my brother that, I'm like, I think the width is too, like, it's too thick, you know what I'm saying? It's too big. So I have to cut that in half. And also, it's too tight of a fit, and so I have to cut that too. As I go this way, has to get cut too, because the seat is going to be in the way. And this, let's say, the short ones have to be, you know, perfect with this. So I'm gonna have to cut that even more so it could fit perfect. And I already knew this was gonna be an issue. This is what I was saying, my brother does not know how to measure. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have to cut, because it's not gonna fit good, you feel me? So I'm gonna have to snip the wood. So yeah. All right, guys, so we got to cut, and accidentally mistaken that the cover thing is supposed to be lifted up so the tank sits, you know, lower and stuff. That I didn't know. So we got the wood cut for this side, and for that we got the woods cut, you know, this way and that way. So now it's just time to screw everything in and get it in.
2,000 years later.
I got the wood in, but the tank doesn't fit. Where's the tank? Oh, the tank's right here. The tank doesn't fit because it's too big. So basically I'm just gonna keep the manifold and the air compressor down here, and just have the tank up top instead of like halfway cut, you know what I'm saying? So that's basically what I'm gonna do now, because it's freaking wood and all that. The tank's too thick. But now we're testing the manifold, because I haven't even tested that, and I don't think that ground works. Remember I told you about the ground that I had over there by the thing where the foot is at? I don't think that works because the controller's not turning on. So now we gotta figure that out. The ground, so where you could put it. So you see this little black thing right here? You could just take this out and then put the wire into the little thing, the little stud that comes out, and then just screw it back in, and your thing should turn on. But now I have to put all this back again, and freaking the rear. So what I'm gonna do is have the compressor and the tank up top, and then my manifold at the bottom, and then run all my air lines through. There's one little hole thing right there. There's another one on the other side. I'm gonna run the air lines through, and then have the air lines under the mat, so it doesn't, you know, be everywhere. So I just have the tank and the compressor up top. Man, this joint is low-key annoying, man. It's a lot of work, but you gotta push through it, man. Just keep pushing. But yo, it's toasty out here, yo. It's hot. It's nice and toasty out here, man. Yo, I'm sweating, like you can see it on my face. I'm all shiny and stuff. So I turned the car on, right? It's a little funny joke, you know what I'm saying? So I turn the car on, right? I look at the controller and I notice that it's upside down. It's upside down, bro. So I got the hose plugged up. Y'all gonna make sure to get this tape. If you're gonna do bags, make sure to get this, because this will stop or will help it get really tight, and it will stop the air from coming out. Because any little seepage, man, he has to do the whole thing over. So make sure to put a lot special like thing I was telling you guys for the water. Basically, it's just this thing and then this. So you just screw this in, you know, it goes poo poo. And then when it's time to just take out the water, you just unscrew the top, and then all the water will just go everywhere, you feel me? So this is the little, you know, little trick instead of getting like a whole water tap, you feel me? So guys, let's see this compressing trailer on everything. So hey, it turns on. Is it filling up? Can't even see. It's filling up though. 7, look, it's getting filling that tank up. Hey, we working, guys, we working. All right, guys, so that's gonna be the vid, man. I'm gonna end it here because I still have to do more things, but it's getting kind of dark right now. I don't want to keep working in the dark and stuff. But I got the compressor I got the compressor running. Yo, I swear, I always be messing up in the vid, man. I got the compressor running. The management is good. The controller is good. The tank is all good. So now all I need is the airlines, and that my dad's gonna have to get for me because he got the spots. You know, he got the plug for all that. So when that's done, I have some tape. Well, basically it's tape, but it's like a wood, like a fake wood type of thing. You guys will see it in the next video. But it's basically that, and I'm gonna put that on top where the tank is gonna be at, because since I'm gonna switch it up, I'm gonna have that. Well, I was always gonna put the wood thing, but I'm gonna put that in the next video, and I'm gonna have the airlines and all that in the next one. So I'm gonna have all, that's gonna be the annoying thing, putting all the airlines. That's what my brother said, and he said that junk is annoying. So that's gonna be the next vid on that, and hopefully this week I get my freaking valve cover gasket freaking finished, or well, not finished, but I get it done. Because, you know, all this stuff from my uncle, I had his funeral on Saturday and stuff, so I've just been, you know, trying to focus on that instead of the car. And still more content with the Mark 1 coming out, so hope you guys enjoyed the vid, man. See you guys in the next one. We out. Coming back soon with the new videos. Peace out.